Christmas background. Now for the bottom part of the card, it's gonna be all just snow. So, wait, actually, let's do a small altar for the tree. So first, take a round thing. I'm just gonna use this tape. Just trace it. And if you want to, you can also trace it inside to make the double layer. Just like that. Okay, so we're done with the altar, right? So for the like the ring part, we're gonna draw some lines. This is gonna be built out of stone, so I'm just showing the different pieces of stone. For the inside, it's gonna be dirt, so I'm just gonna draw some random lines. Alright, for the all of right here, it's gonna be snow, so I'm just gonna draw some snow mounds, just some curved lines. And then I'm gonna take the same color I used to color snow over there to just draw some shadows. Maybe I'll just draw a tiny pond over here. So I'm gonna take aqua mint, or basically a teal. Draw some curved lines. Just draw straight lines, just like that. Then color it in. This be a small frozen pond or puddle. It's entirely optional. You could do it if you want to, but I'm just adding extra details. Now I'm gonna take blue pastel blue to outline it real quick. Then draw some more details on the pond. Alright, now we're gonna take same baby blue to add some more shadows. Give it a bit more shadowing. For this, okay, now we're moving on from the stone. For the stone, like ring right here. First, gonna color it with light gray. Then for the then for the shadows around the stone, you take a darker gray. First, gonna draw a ring, a circle towards the inside. Then we're gonna draw some gray around the lines. Then draw some lines around the edges. Okay, you can also draw some cracks to show that the stone is weathered. And for the dirt inside, we're just gonna color the whole thing with burnt orange or a medium brown. You could leave some blank space if you want to color with a lighter brown to make a sort of a blending color if you want to. Alright, now we're gonna take dark brown or wine red. I'm gonna align the colors, and then we'll draw some details, just random. Okay, I am going to outline the stone again since it's a bit blurred. Then I'm gonna take light blue to fix some details. Okay, so when I stand up, it should look like this. See? So the card will be open like this, and there's gonna be the thing. Okay, now let's move on. Let's draw some figures who are gonna stand in the card. So first thing, take another piece of paper. We're gonna fold it in half. We don't really need a whole entire paper since our figures can't be that big, or they just stick out. Since like the top of our paper is probably like 6 centimeters, I won't recommend drawing higher than 4. So we could first draw a line. Let's take a pencil, draw a marking right there to show us when the character is tall enough. So the characters that we draw has to be at least shorter than this, or they just stick out too much. Alright, so first we could draw, let's draw Santa Claus. So first take a marker. First, from here, we draw a curved line. This is gonna be his hat. Right about here, and draw a curved line down and connect it. Then from these 2 points right here, curve down. Same on this side, and then connect. Right here, we're gonna draw a curved line, circle. We have his hat now. Let's draw the nose and the beard. Let's give him a really big nose. So first we're gonna draw a big circle for his nose, and then for his beard and mustache, curve line, curve back in. Then just draw curved lines down. Let's give him small eyes. So 2 dots right there, curved line, just like that. Give him small ears, and then give him a bit of hair. Let's give him some eyebrows. So just do this since the eyebrows are covered mainly by the hat, like that. Alright, now for his body. Since most of his body is covered by the beard, we're just gonna draw his sleeves, just basically 2 curved lines. Curve in, draw the cuffs, draw the legs, then draw the foot, then draw the hands, 2 curved lines. Let's draw a sack near him. So first draw a curved line, another curved line up, down, curve, connect with a sort of a rectangle, then draw some curved lines for the top of the sack. Okay. We're done with Santa Claus, let's move on to something else. Let's draw a little kid playing the snow. So, since it's a little kid, he should be shorter than Santa. So first we're gonna draw the hat, curved line, just like that. Then draw a semicircle. Draw some short lines for like the bun of the hat. I forgot what it's called. Like the fuzzy part on top. Then we'll draw some details on the hat. For this little kid, first we're gonna start from these 2 points here. Draw 2 short lines down. Draw a curved line for the ears, and then connect. Then finish drawing the hair, curved line, 4 curved lines just like that, and then draw a smile. Give him a little nose, and that's gonna be good. Now for the jacket, first give him a big collar. Make his arms raised up. Let's give him cuff. Since this is a bit too close to the sack top, I'm just going to draw the hand lower a bit. And then for the cotton jacket, we're just going to draw some lines showing that's fuzzy. And then for the foot, legs, we're just going to draw one pants and then his shoes. Let's draw a snowball in his hands. There we go. Now last but not least, let's draw a small dog just sitting there. Okay. First, let's draw the ears. Just curve, straight line, curve, then curve line, then curve. Draw a big curve line down. Then let's draw a curve line right there, and then curve line like that. Then we'll draw his paws, which is basically curve, curve, then connect. From here, we'll draw a curve line down, and then connect the paw. Straight line, straight line. Then we'll draw the back paw, which is basically just curve again, and his tail. For the face, we're going to draw nose, then two curved lines for the mouth. And then let's draw the dog smiling. So his eyes are just like that. Let's draw a collar. And that should be good. We're gonna save this piece of paper for later, so don't cut it off yet. Let's color the people we drew. So for Santa Claus, the majority of him is red. So color his hat red. His suit, his pants. His sleeves. Then we're going to take a dark purple or dark red to draw some shadows around Santa Claus's jackets. Okay, so let's draw some shadows on where the beard covers his jacket, and also some where this part of his hat covers the red part of his hat. Let's draw some on the pants. You could also draw some creases with this color. And then let's also draw some creases on the pants as well. Okay, now we take black. With black, we're gonna draw the shoes. Okay. Now we're gonna put this black away. We're gonna use a really light blue, same color we used to shade the snow. And then draw some shading around his hat also. Just around the white parts like his cuffs, top of his hat, his beard and mustache. For his beard, I'm just going to draw some curved lines to make his beard feel fuzzy like. Okay. Okay, now for his face, we're just going to use a light peach color. Now we're going to take the same peach color and color the little kid's face. Be careful not to color on the eyes or nose or the black lines, or it's going to look smudged. And his hands. Then we're going to take pink and then draw 2 circles on his cheeks. Let's do the same thing for Santa Claus, but it's going to not be really visible since his mustache hides a lot of it. We can also shadow the little kid's face with pink. There we go. Now for the little kid's jacket and sweater, we're gonna use a light green first. And then for the shading, we're gonna use darker green. Draw some more for like things, just like that. Draw the shadowing. Okay, for his pants, let's use mint blue, which is basically teal. And then we're gonna take a darker turquoise and draw straight some dotted lines over there and shade in the pants. For the cuffs of his sweater, we're gonna use red. For his foot and shoes, we're gonna use brown. Okay. For his hair, we're gonna use a darker brown. Draw it. And his hat is gonna be a vivid red. Now let's take dark red and give the hat a bit of shadowing. Just like that. Okay. Since he's holding a snowball, so we're going to take the same light blue that we used for the snow and the beard. We're going to draw some shadowing on there. Okay. Now let's do the Santa sack since I forgot to color it later. Yep. Okay, first use the dark brown. This time I'm gonna color the shadows first. So dark brown are right there, and then some around the trees right there. Some near the band and the top of the sack. Then we're gonna take a lighter brown and color the rest in. Now take the white outliner pen. Could do some outlines on Santa's hat. The darker parts. Maybe even his shoes. Some on his sleeve. Some also on his sack right here. Okay, now let's take blue to draw the closure of his sack. Now for the dog, let's make him light orange. So we're gonna draw his whole entire body this color. Let's make his snout not be dark orange. Let's give him some eyebrows. And then his tail, like this. And then we take red to color in his collar. And then pink to color his nose. And then you could use a darker brown to draw some shadows around his body. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you. Bye-bye.